Hi everyone, welcome to Industrial Organizational Psychology. I'm the professor for this course. My name is Carrie Stevenson. I just wanted to make a quick video to introduce myself and introduce the course a little bit. I know a lot of you, probably most of you, have already taken courses, so you're probably already familiar with D2L. Forgive me, I have a kitten that is trying to join our video. But I did want to at least introduce myself and then just walk through a couple of things. I have a master's degree in industrial organizational psychology, and I have a doctorate in community psychology. I spent about 15 years in management and in human resources, and I'm currently a full-time tenured professor teaching psychology. And as the head of the department, I find that I still get to employ and utilize a lot of the skills that I've gained throughout my years in HR and in management. So regardless of where you go from here, I think that this course is so beneficial in any field. So let's take a quick look at some things that I wanted to point out. Personally, I like to navigate through the content. You might like to do that from the pane that is over to your right. And my screen might look a little bit different than yours since I have the instructor's version here. So when you start here, go through some of the materials and resources that are available for you here. I want to draw your attention to the syllabus. And you'll see all the information about the course. And I want to just kind of scroll down here a little bit to the course schedule and assignments. This class is pretty straightforward, and in general, most things are going to be due on Wednesdays and Sundays. So you'll do your first posts for discussion questions on Wednesdays, and then you'll post responses on Sundays. So, and I think that that's probably pretty consistent with what you've been doing in the past, but I wanted to point that out. In most classes, I do recommend that students take out their phones if you use a calendar system like that in your phone, or if you have a planner that you use, and just jot down some of the due dates to make sure that you stay on top of those dates. And then anytime that you see when you have a quiz or you see something like an assignment, also give yourself some time to complete that assignment. So it's a good idea to note in your calendar that you've got that coming up so that you have time to prepare for it. All right, I'm just going to go back to content here. And again, going back to the Start Here folder, as you scroll down, you'll see some more resources that are available to you. And then you'll see this Introductions discussion board. I'd like for you to take some time just to introduce yourself. I know that many of you probably already know each other from other courses, but some of you may not, and some of you might be, new to National Louis. So please be sure to introduce yourself so we can get to know each other a little bit better. And then I wanted to point out this discussion board here too. This is where you can post questions that you have at any time. I do want to point out though that this is a great place for you to post questions when you have questions for one another. Or just questions kind of in general, but not necessarily for me. You're looking to generate, discussion with your classmates. If you have questions or concerns that you want to address with me, I do recommend that you send me an email. I pop into the class multiple times throughout the week, but I'm not necessarily on the class every day. So if you have a question directly for me, I'd prefer that you send me an email, because that's going to make sure that I get that and I get back to you in a more efficient and more timely manner. If you do have a question for me and you post it there, I will get to it, but it may not be as quickly as I would have done, through email. So I just wanted to let you know about that. So after you've taken some time going through the Start Here, and you get yourself familiar, you get yourself acclimated, and you're ready to get started on all of the good stuff in the class, you can go to the first module, and you'll see there's an overview and objectives, the activities that we'll be doing within this, and then you'll see recorded lectures in there and various activities. Each module will show you exactly, what you'll be covering within that module, what discussions are due, and any assignments and quizzes that are due as well. Well, I hope you enjoy the course. Let me know if you have any questions.